The ARCCAPTAIN 160A 4-in-1 welder offers versatile welding options, allowing you to switch between gas, flux core gasless, lift TIG, and MMA stick welding modes to cater to various tasks. This welder simplifies the process for beginners with its synergic control feature, automatically adjusting the current and wire feeding speed based on the selected wire diameter. Weighing only 11.8 pounds, this compact welding machine is easy to transport, making it ideal for those who need portability in their welding equipment. The machine is equipped with multiple safety features, including protection against overcurrent, overload, overheating, and overvoltage, ensuring a longer lifespan. Built to high standards, the ARCCAPTAIN welder undergoes rigorous testing in harsh environments to guarantee quality and reliability for users. This welder is a perfect choice for a range of applications, from home DIY projects to outdoor repairs and maintenance, handling materials like carbon and stainless steel with ease.